Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will be looking at the problem of to calculate power of a number n without using inbuilt power function by taking two inputs from the user as base and the component. So, get the problem statement directly say that uh, we don't have to use the inbuilt power function which is available in C++, that is power of two parameters, that is a comma b, that is one is the base, second is the component exponent. So here we will be without using the inbuilt power function, we have to find the power of a number. So how will we doing it? Let us look at the approach, then we'll be solving the problem. So power of a number n, here the base is 5 and here the exponent is 3, that is 5 to the power 3, that is 125. Now here the base is 2 and here the exponent is 3, that is 2 to the power 3, that is 8. So what we will our approach, we will be looping until the exponent, like we will be taking a variable I and exponent suppose is 3. We will be iterating until I is equal to 3, and in between this we will be finding the product, that is suppose ans is the answer. It will be initially 1, then ans into the base value, that is 1 into 5, 5 again. When it will be coming to next step, 5 into 5, 25, until it is 3, it will be 125. So let us look at the code. Let us enter the base, let us enter the exponent. So yeah, it's working fine. Let us give us another input, base 2 exponent 3, 2 cube 8. Let us give us another input, base is 6 exponent 2. So yeah, it's working fine. So let me tell the logic in depth. In initially base, suppose we have taken as 2, an exponent 3, and I is equal to 1 for iterating. Let me first write the logic, then I will be explaining line by line. Okay. So yeah, initially I will be initialized to 1, base we have given by the keyboard 2, and exponent is 3, and initially ans will be 1. Okay, so keep the count of ans, that is 1. Okay, now I is less than equal to exponent, that is 1 is less than equal to 3. Condition is true. Now the control will come inside the while loop, and it will do the ans into base, that is 1 into base is 2, that is 2. Now the ans updated value is 2, and it will increment I, so I will be now 2. It will again go and check, is 2 less than equal to 3? Condition is true. It will again come inside the while loop. It will perform ans into base, that is ans updated value of ans 2 into base. What is base? 4. Now the updated value of ans will be 4. So I will be again incremented, it will be 3. Now it will again check, is 3 less than equal to 3? Condition is true. It will again perform ans, that is ans 4 into base. What is base? 2. Now the updated value of ans will be 8. Now again I will be incremented, and it will be 4. Again it will come and check, is 4 less than equal to 3? Condition is false. It will come out of the while loop, and it will return the ans, that is 8. So in this way we will be finding, while iterating till exponent, and in between finding the ans into base. Thank you. If you really like this video, please subscribe my channel. Please share it with your friends. I will be coming with all this content, and also we will be solving all problems related to your placement. And please share my channel. Thank you.